What makes this water flosser really unique is that it has a bunch of different heads. So you can see it even has like a toothbrush head. So you can kind of brush your teeth and flush the water as you are brushing your teeth. To take this off, you just press the button, comes right out. If you want to use a more traditional water flosser head, then you just snap it into place. It has a pump, a reservoir here, really simple to use. You just press a button to turn it on. Then you've got different speeds. This is about as easy as it gets for a water flosser. I've used a lot of water flossers, never one with as many heads as this one has. It's also really nice that it charges via USB-C. This was sent to me so I could test it out and make this video. Let me show you everything you get and then kind of demonstrate how this works. Puur Smile, the flossing toothbrush. It is nice that it comes in its own case so you can kind of keep things tidy or if you travel. All right, so in this little pouch that you can use to carry, it has multiple nozzles and it does charge via USB-C. So if you look at some of these heads, you've got your standard like water flosser here, got water flosser with a deflector, kind of a fine tip on this one. Yeah, a couple toothbrush heads, so it will squirt the water as you are brushing your teeth. That is actually really cool. And then, you know, just some other nozzles. So to use it, all you do is you flip this off, you put the water in here, and then it sucks the water up. When you're ready to charge it, you plug it in here to charge. There's this little push button here. You can snap it into place, and then when you want to take this out, you just push this down and you're good to go. When you're ready to use it, you just press the power button and then it automatically turns on, and then you've got the level here from low to high, and you just press that and it increases the speed. You can also twist the reservoir and take it completely off. So you could fill it this way, but if you ever need to clean it or get to this for maintenance or something like that, you do have that option. And if you have these floss drops, when you fill this up with water, just put a few drops of this in. It's a mouthwash, so it's a great way to get your mouthwash as you are flossing. My wife and I have both been really happy with this. It's just really easy to use. You can just set it down flat. It is kind of bulky, but all water flossers are. I like the style and the design, but I think what I like most about it is simply the different heads that you have. Really cool that it comes with a toothbrush head. Another nice thing about this is it does have a memory. So if I turn it on, right now it's the lowest setting. Let me go ahead and turn it up to the highest setting. Now I turn it off. Now when I turn it back on for the next time, it's on the highest setting again. Just a nice little touch. Really good flosser.